Fabricons and Madaripur, Faryadpur, Shariatpur and every Jala and Noakhali, Kumarkhali, Patuakhali and Parishal and every district of the people. I want to know, I inform to you, my friend, my close friend is Khairul Dewan. He is the Prime Minister of Bangladesh future time, and I am candidate of president in future. So I want to know, are you supporters? Mr. Khairul Dewan and Bharal Siddiq? I ask you, answer. You are supporter of Khairul Dewan and Bharal Siddiq, BCSP and Janakalyan Party. And we are Freedom July fighter. So এখন I want to lecture in Bengali. So বাংলায় বলতেছি।